McTurtle to me on the lighthouse, I can catch him with my net.
That's pretty risky. If you miss, we could send Mr. McTurtle floating out to sea forever.
Well, then I better not miss. Wheeler, I'll be waiting by the lighthouse.
I won't let you down. Spinorama.
Nice job, Wheeler. Keep it going.
Whoa! Chase, lighthouse, straight ahead.
Way ahead of you, Rubble.
Yeah, Peruzzi. Yeah, Peruzzi. Yeah, Peruzzi.
I am ready.
Me too. One turtle with a statue headed your way.
Yeah, Peruzzi.
Here we go! Gotcha!
Need some help? Rubble on the double.
Rubble?
And Charger, we both gotcha.
Thanks for the helping paw, Rubble and crew. Hey, Mr. McTurtle, you okay?
Yeah, Peruzzi.
All right, one turtle saved. Now let's return this statue.
Oh, little squeaker. Are you in here? Aw, it's just a little baby.
Oh! Wait a minute. Hold on. I think those mice know the baby mouse.
Charger, they definitely know each other. They're the parents. That's why they've been squeaking so much. They've been trying to find their baby, who was lost in the ceiling. It's okay. Come on, Mousy.
Now that is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Aw, look at that. We brought them together. That makes me so happy.
Uh-oh, give them some room.
I'm getting the zoom, zoomies. That mouse family is so cute.
Great job, pups. But my speech starts soon, and well, the roof to City Hall is kind of hanging from your crane.
Yeah, that's not a good place for a roof. Don't worry, Mayor Greatway. We'll fix it and everything else in City Hall before your speech.
Okay, gotta hurry.
Easy, easy.
I can't tell where nature ends and the city begins. Whoa, I'm on the bridge. Amazing!
I wonder if Crunchy thinks it's amazing.
Come on, Crunchy. The bridge is waiting for you.
See? It's just like the forest.
You'll love it, Crunchy. Come on, use the bridge, Beaver Buddy.
Come on, Crunchy! You can do it, Crunchy!
Hey, the ducks like our bridge.
Huh?
And Wingie.
And a squirrel! Really want to chase the squirrel, but I won't. So glad the squirrel likes the bridge.
All the animals like the new forest bridge.
Except maybe beavers?
I think he's gonna use the bridge. You can do it, Crunchy.
Crunchy! 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 Crunchy likes the Beaver Bridge! I repeat, Crunchy likes the Beaver Bridge!
It's not just a beaver bridge.
It's a wildlife bridge! And a pop bridge, too! I'm getting the zoom zoomies!
Me too! Wait for me, Charger!
Hey, family! Why did Rubble Crew cross the bridge?
Why?
To do the wiggle and wag! We built a wildlife bridge!
Rubble Crew!
And it's pup-tastic!
That's what we do!
Okay, Charger. 1 egg, floating on air, coming right up. Wheeler fast! Blow dry mode! Whoa! Got it! Oh boy, it's working! Gotcha! Here you go, Wingsy. Wheeler rescued your egg. I guess you could say my idea was excellent. Good one, Wheeler. Excellent. Wasn't that funny, Wingsy? Wait, we still gotta put your nest someplace warm. I know. That tree gets a lot of sun. We can use those logs over there to build Wingsy a platform. Let's do it. Hands up! Good job! Coming in! Let's nail it! We got this! Careful! Good job! One more nail to hammer in. And done! Tools rule! Time to see your new home, Wingsy. Grab it, lift it, move it! Gently. I think that's eagle for thank you. Come on! We better see if Rubble and Mix need any help. Bye, Wingsy!
Way to go, my pups! Now that's a home I bet Crunchy will love.
I hope so. Let's get it to the river and get the power back on. Hey, Crunchy, we're on the way, and we hope that you say hooray. Careful, Wheeler. Nice and slow. We don't want to hit any bumps.
Are you ready for your new house, Crunchy? Grab it, lift it, move it! Well, Crunchy, how do you like it? Does he like it? Does he like it? Crunchy likes it! That makes me so happy! Uh-oh. Give Charger some room. And Crunchy, too. We're getting the Zoom Zoom Zoomies. Spray blaster. Ready, aim, paint. Nice job, Mix! That looks like a real watermelon. Motor, you drive around and make the squirrel chase your watermelon.
Squirrel Chase motor!
And while you do that, we need to find a way to keep the real watermelon safe.
Since we need to protect one giant watermelon, wouldn't it be fun if we build one giant, super strong, super safe watermelon case?
Ooh, like a case so strong, it would protect the watermelon from the...
Squirrel!
Go, Motor, go!
Motor has watermelon. Come, Squirrel, follow Motor.
Okay, Mix. Let's bow wow build a super strong squirrel-proof case.
Squirrel can't catch me. Huh? Where's Squirrel? Hello? Squirrel. Uh-oh, you got me. Aw, poor little squirrel. Squirrel just wants to eat. Motor has an idea.
Look at that giant watermelon.
Farmer
Wow, Farmer Sam.
Hooray! That spiffy case is gonna keep my watermelon nice and safe. Thanks for all your help, pups. Aw. Rubble Crew is always happy to help. This saw station is sawsome. Here comes Charger! To make the wood smooth with my sander!
These ponies need one more thing. A mix makeover! Arf! Spray blaster! Yellow. Blue. Pink. Green. Done! This pony is ready to ride.
Yay! This pony is good to go. Good job. Our carousel is done. Makes me want to shout hooray. Time for peanut butter and jelly day. Peanut butter. Let's bring our carousel to Grocer Gabrielle. Yay!
Peanut butter and jelly!
So sorry. Can't seem to organize everything with all that chanting. Where are those pups?
Rubble on the double with an awesome carousel.
Oh, wonderful! Fantastique! Amazing! Everybody can ride the carousel while I finish setting up for Peanut Butter and Jelly Day.
I mixed up a batch of quick-drying cement so Auntie Crane can use our skate park today. Here I go. Ready? Cement!
Hey there, little duckies. You okay? Oh no! A skate park's supposed to be smooth, not filled with big blobs of cement. I must have accidentally pressed a lever and kept the cement going. I feel terrible.
Mix, don't feel terrible. You're a hero. You saved those ducks. Yeah, and don't worry. We'll find a way to rebuild the skate park before Auntie Crane gets here. Somehow.
And done! Tools rule!
Wow, it's a lot easier to build without a...
Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Squirrel! Hey! Wait for me! Squirrel! Squirrel! Come back!
Can't resist. No, I can't chase the squirrel. But maybe... No. No. Gotta chase that squirrel!
Hey, Rubble and Crew, we're leaving the beach.
Now?
Yep. Kids are wiped out and ready to come home. See you soon.
Uh-oh. They're on their way and we're not done with the surprise playroom.
Squirrel wants acorns. Motor, that's it! Okay, Wheeler, I've got a plan. Wouldn't it be fun if we built a squirrel-sized acorn feeder away from our construction site?
Ooh, pup-tastic idea. That'll keep the squirrel busy while we finish. Let's bow wow build!
Okay, Motor, acorn me.
Almost home. And I hope the pups are done.
One pup-tastic squirrel feeder done.
Just needs one more thing. I vacuumed up a few more of these. Okay, squirrel, come and eat.
And play.
Here comes the best part. Everybody remember to say wee!
Whoa! Oops, I mean wee!
I checked my helmet, gloves, all strapped in. I am safe and ready. Here I go! Oh no! Crunchy's stuck on the other side! I repeat, stuck on the other side!
Wait, how will Crunchy get across? Aw, poor little beaver.
I'll get him! I never leave any animal behind! Come on, Crunchy. The sun's gonna set soon. We need to cross that canyon.
Aw, I bet he's afraid to zip line over the canyon after the bridge broke.
I think he just wants to be inside his cozy beaver home. Charger, that's it! Yeah, that's it! Wait, what's it? Wouldn't it be fun if we built a cozy little box, like a carrier, so he can zipline over the canyon safely?
We can make it out of wood, just like the beaver home we built for Crunchy.
Pup-tastic idea!
Yes, it is. And I happen to know where we can find a bunch of boards hanging around. You get it?
Thanks, Auntie Crane. Okay, family, time to make a cozy beaver carrier. Let's bow wow build!
Beaver carrier, zip, zip, zipping your way!
Look, Crunchy! A cozy carrier just for you! Away you go! That was fun! I gotta say, I'm impressed with Rubble and Crew. You pup builders are amazing!
Gotta work fast. We don't have much time.
Last thing to fix? The wall!
Finally, City Hall is fixed with no more squeaks.
Oh, Rubble, look! I think they miss living in City Hall.
But City Hall is too big for them. They'll just get lost and start squeaking again. Charger, I have an idea. We built the dollhouse for Motor's rubber duck family.
Oh, I know what you're thinking. Let's do it!
Hey, mice, we built something for you. A mini City Hall.
Squeaky Hall, your new home.
Aw, now that is cute. What a great idea. Thank you, pups, for saving the day. I practiced my speech, and now I can give it squeak-free. And you'll finally hear the big surprise.
Woo-hoo!
Greetings, citizens of Builder Cove. As your mayor, I am here to announce something very special. To celebrate our amazing town and to bring our wonderful community together. I present the first ever Builder Cove Fantastic, Fabulous Fun Woo-hoo! Fireworks Show! Nice! Look at that!
Now that's a pup-tastic surprise. Hey, Charger, good job. Let's wiggle and wag. We fixed a squeak.
Rubble and Crew!
It is pup-tastic.
That's what we do!
Don't worry, Wingsy. We're gonna move you and your eggs to a better spot.
Grab it, lift it, move it!
Oh dear, I always wanted a kitchen with a view, but not like this.
Bye-bye, Wingsy. See you later. Ew, roof chili. Blech.
They're a great way, watch out! You might want to move away while we fix your roof.
Yeah, chunks of roof falling down won't be good for you or your chili.
Oh, my poor chili. It's not done cooking. I hope I can still have my chili cookaroo. Gotta get this covered. I don't want chunks of roof in my chili.
Let's see. If I were a mama eagle, where would I put my nest? Wheeler, big tree! Oh, a big tree would be a great spot for a nest. No, in the road! Watch out! Whoa! Oh no! Hey, come back! This is not good. Not good at all. Don't worry, Wingsy. We'll get your egg back. No problem. Ugh, this is a big problem.
Oh, that did not sound like a happy oink.
This is not good. Not good at all. Truffles, what's wrong? It's not clean enough? It's not perfect? Did we miss something? Come on, let's go check.
I don't know what the problem is.
Maybe Truffles can show us what she doesn't like. Truffles? Truffles is gone!
Oh no, did she run away? I lost Truffles, and everybody's on their way to the pig party. Oh. Maybe I shouldn't be a farmer.
No way. You're a great farmer. You love Truffles, and that's the important thing.
Yeah, don't worry. We'll find her. Farmer Zoe, we won't let you down.
Thanks, pups. Good luck.
Let's split up and search for Truffles.
I'll stay here in case she comes back. Oh boy. Hopefully before the pig party.
She's gotta be here somewhere.
Truffles! Truffles!
Welcome to my farm! Hi there, howdy! The pig party starts soon! Hopefully with a pig. Come on, Rubble and Crew, please hurry!
I know that oink anywhere. It's Truffles, and it's coming from the river. Oh no, Truffles might be in trouble. We need to rescue Truffles. Meet me at the river.
We're on our way.
Truffles! Truffles? Truffles? Are you okay?
There she is in that pool of mud!
Oh no! She is in trouble! We have to save her! Charger, pull your vehicle up to the mud. We'll use your winch to rescue Truffles. Yeah, got it! Truffles, grab on! Why isn't she grabbing on?
Oh, you found Truffles! Everyone is waiting to meet her at the farm!
We found her, all right, but she's stuck in this mud and she won't let us save her.
I don't think that's a help me oink. That's a happy oink! Look at us, muddy buddies!
Oh, a beaver dam! I was not expecting that. Oh, Crunchy took the water to make a pool! Isn't that cute? I mean, that's a big problem! Look, maybe Truffles is gonna help get Crunchy to stop. Or maybe not. On the one paw, it is pretty cute that Crunchy has a place to play. On the other paw, Farmer Zoe really needs that water for her vegetables. I wish there was a way they could both get water.
Actually, there is a way for part of the water to go to Crunchy and part of it to Farmer Zoe's vegetables. There's the water coming from the river, there's Crunchy's water pool, and over there are Farmer Zoe's vegetables.
Hoo-wee! This sounds good. Keep going, Mix.
Well, we'll build a small wall here.
Oh, I get it. Some of the water can go that way to the lettuce, and some can go to Crunchy.
They could share it.
Mix, you are one smart pup. Auntie Crane, we're gonna need you to turn off the pumps.
You got it, Rubble!
Don't worry, Crunchy and Truffles. We'll have the water back on faster than you can oink. And whatever a beaver says. I don't know what a beaver says, but a construction pup says, let's bow wow build! Here's where the wall should go, Wheeler. On it!
And now for a quick mix fix. Ready, aim, concrete!
Okay, Auntie Crane. Time to fire out those pumps.
Roger that, Rubble!
cuts with the saw station will make these look like bat wings.
This will help Motor wear the wings.
And this will help Motor flap.
Those are some springy wings. Boing, boing, boing.
Now it just needs a mixed makeover. Spray Blaster! Wow!
Let's lift that bat pup!
Motor look like bat!
And now you can fly like one!
Motor bat! Baby bat! Fly with Motor bat!
The baby bat thinks Motor's a bat. Keep flapping, Motor. Hi, everyone. Be right back. Just going to bring a baby bat home.
Are they bringing that here? They're bringing what back?
Come, baby bat! Follow Motor bat! Look! Baby bat family! Aw, so cute!
Look how happy they are.
Motor, you made that baby bat so happy. I'm proud of you. The pole is rolled by a beaver.
Okay, that was not what I expected.
Hello, Mr. Beaver. My name is Rubble, and these are my cousins. I wonder what his name is.
That's a big crunch. How about we call him Crunchy?
I like that name. Hi, Crunchy! I wonder why he took that pole.
Aha! Now I get it. Yeah, now we get it. Wait, what do we get? Beavers use wood to build a home. And that's why Crunchy took the poles to build this house.
I have an idea. Wouldn't it be fun if we built Crunchy a new beaver home out of materials in the barkyard?
Fantastic idea. Then he won't need those poles. Mix, you are one smart pup. Come on, back to the barkyard to build a beaver home.
Oh!
Hiya, pups. Did you figure out what happened to the poles?
A beaver we named Crunchy used them to build his home.
Beaver?
Okay, that was not what I expected.
That's what I said.
We gotta build Crunchy a new home so he doesn't need the poles.
Uh-oh, it's already getting dark. We better work fast to get everyone's power back on.
I have an idea. Flashlight!
Mix, now that is a bright idea. Bright, because of the bright flashlight. So funny.
Squirrel! Squirrel! Huh?
Squirrel!
Huh? Squirrel!
I can't chase the squirrel. Maybe not. Gotta keep building.
Squirrels love acorns and puppies love squirrels.
Yes, they do. Can't chase the squirrel. Gotta keep working. So tempting.
Squirrel! 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 Come back! Squirrel! Squirrel! Squirrel!
Motor, watch over!
Supplies. Oopsie.
Motor, are you okay?
Motor good. Uh-oh, Motor made a mess. Motor helped clean.
Okay, family. Everything should be fine as long as that squirrel stays away.
We just gotta build a new playroom before Lucas and Lily get back. Let's bow wow build! Okay, Motor, the squirrel's gone. Do your thing.
Motor go boom!
Good thing that squirrel went away, because the vibrations from Motor's booming made all these acorns fall out of the tree.
Squirrel back! Squirrel! Squirrel!
Ooh, squirrel! No, really want to chase that squirrel, but we have to build. Motor, stop!
Squirrel! Whoopsie! Motor okay? We're a pup family, a pup family. We're a pup family, a pup family.
That was close. Everybody okay?
We're okay.
You're back! How many triangle stones did you find?
All of them.
Woo! That's amazing!
Way to go, my pups! I can't wait to see them.
Not good. Not good at all. I bet when I slammed on my brakes, everything smashed together.
But we need to put all the clues together before the sun goes down.
And the sun's setting even more. Maybe we won't find the treasure.
Now, my pups, there's gotta be a... What is it you always say, Rubble?
There's gotta be a construction solution.
You bet there is. This just needs a quick mix fix. Actually, a quick family fix. While everyone puts the pieces back together, I'll make quick-drying concrete in the Mega Mixer, then attach it all together.
Ooh, I'll go to the top of the crane tower. I can see all the pieces from up there.
Great idea! I'll help you.
Let's go.
Okay, I'll start with water, some dry cement, a bit of gravel. Now it's time to mix it up.
Okay, let's put the triangle stones back together. Move that piece over there.
Nice! Now move that smaller piece next to it.
Slide the big piece this way. No, wait, the other way. Actually, to the other side. Yeah, that's it.
You're almost done. Just move that piece back. Yep, that's it.
And slide the last piece over. And you are done. Okay, Bats, just smell these flowers and follow your noses. Come on, sniff, sniff.
It's okay, Bats. Go to flowers. Bats follow flowers. Go, Rubble, go.
It's working. To the bat house. Ooh, nice mix. You painted a bat for the... Bats! We've got bats!
Oh! Wow, it worked!
Looks like those bats are going batty over their new home! They love it!
Bats happy!
Okay, team, let's replant these flowers and head back to the Barkyard Fun Fall Day.
Bats don't sound happy. Motor hope bats are okay. I hope so too, Motor. Maybe they're just getting used to their new home. Bye, Bats.
Rubble and Crew are back!
We're back!
We're back!
Hi, everyone. The Barkyard Fall Fun Day is almost ready.
Good, you're back. Let's smash the pumpkins for my pie.
Here we go. Smashing in 3, 2, 1.
No! A baby bat got left behind!
That's why the bat sounded worried. They knew the baby bat was missing.
And we don't have any more flowers to lead him to the bat house.
Oh no, poor baby bat.
Follow me, pups! Over the bridge!
Cool bridge! We're so high up! Hey! Crunchy's following us! Silly beaver! Wow! The wildflowers are so beautiful!
Those leaves are so pretty.
Those trees are really tall and green! Hey! Crunchy's eating the bridge! Silly beaver! Huh? Crunchy! No! We needed that bridge to get back home! This is not good. Not good at all!
Well, Crunchy was just being a beaver, munching on wood. But we gotta hike back before the sun goes down.
Don't worry. There's always a construction solution. Too bad we're not all spiders. Then we could swing on our web over the canyon.
Rubble, maybe we can. Wouldn't it be fun if we swing over the canyon on a rope or a cable?
Oh, now that is smart! You could swing across on a zip line! We can find some natural materials out here to be a base on each side. Like this boulder. Then we just need a cable and some clamps to attach it to the boulder.
Now that is a pup-tastic idea.
I'm ready to pump the water. Water. Like watercoloring. That's fun. But it's not mixtastic enough for the kids. Gotta think of something really special.
All right, time to drain and fill. Mix, start pumping out the water.
All right, on it.
That's funny. The pump sounds like it's quacking.
Duckies, duckies.
So that's what's making the quacking sound. A family of ducks. This is not good. I repeat, not good. They think our construction hole is a duck pond.
Hi, pups. Just checking to see how the school is going. Oh, aren't they adorable?
They sure are. But they're also holding up construction. They think this is their new home.
We have a problem. The ducks need a home, but the kids of Builder Cove need a school.
And I still haven't come up with a mixtastic idea for my art class.
Oh my, I better go tell Juniper we need more time.
Okay, kids, while we wait for school to start, we'll do jumping jacks. Come on. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
This is good exercise, Mom. But can we go to school now?
Juniper, can you hold the kids here a little longer? School's not ready yet.
Not ready? No problem. We can, dance. Yes, let's dance. Like this. Everybody dance. Come on, let me see y'all boogie to the beat.
Aw, those little ducks really like their new home.
There's gotta be a construction solution. One where we don't have to move these ducks.
But if we can't move them, how do we build the school here?
Charger, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Wait, what's it?
We don't move the ducks. Wouldn't it be fun if we built the school around the duck pond?
So the ducks can stay, and the kids can have their school.
I knew there was a construction solution. Mix, you are one smart pup. Let's bow wow build!
Put your hands and paws together for Motor! She's gonna recite a special Christmas poem.
Motor love Christmas with family so nice. What Motor love most is to smash ice. Motor go boom! And more boom! And more boom! Merry boom Christmas!
Here comes our big finale. Please welcome our pup and pig dynamic duo, Wheeler and Truffles!
Woo! Yeah!
We got this! Skating on the ice, on paws and hooves so nice. The most wonderful time of year. Let's shout some Christmas cheer!
Yeah!
Wheeler and Truffles skates. You know they look so great. It's our family Christmas show. Everybody sing ho ho. Ho ho ho! Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Christmas time is family time. It makes you shout hooray! Hooray! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Christmas time is family time.
Look at that! Pigs can fly!
It's a Christmas miracle!
It makes you shout hooray! Rubble Crew wants to wish everyone, from our pup family to yours, a very pup-tastic Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!
Hey, pups. Need a hand? I usually help kids cross the road, but I bet I can handle Crunchy. Beaver Crossing. Make way for Crunchy. Share the road, people. Right this way, Crunchy.
Way to go, Juniper!
Hey, I got one for you. Why did the beaver cross the road?
I don't know! Why?
No idea. But there he goes again.
Oh, no! Stop! I think we need to stay here a long time to help Crunchy cross back and forth.
No worries. I have a little time before school starts, so I'll stay here until Crunchy's done crossing. You pups can head out. I got this.
Thanks, Juniper! Bye-bye!
Oh, sudden U-turn. Sorry, cars. Oh, boy. I mean, oh, Beaver. I'd better call the pups to come back. Oh, sorry, crew. I'm exhausted. Can you help out?
No problem, Juniper. You can rest before the kids get out of school, and we'll take over.
Thanks, pups.
Okay, family. It's time for us to find a construction solution.
Yeah, Crunchy needs to build his dam to protect his beaver home.
I know! We can build a tunnel under the road for Crunchy. Dig, 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 dig. Phew! Okay, I'm tired. We'll use our vehicles.
A tunnel's a good idea, Charger. But if we dig down, we might hit tree roots.
Oh, right! Trees are part of Crunchy's, what did Park Ranger Rose call it? Oh, yeah! Habitat!
Well, if we can't dig under the road, let's build over the road with a bridge.
That's it! A beaver bridge! Mix, you are one smart pup.
There. One science center, done, done, did it.
Awesome! Let's bring all the clues inside and discover who took the statue.
Yep, Rosie!
Awesome! All right, detective helper, Pups. First, let's take a look at the picture Mix made of the mark on the wall.
You know, the shape of that reminds me of an animal print.
Then let's check out that computer. It's full of animal information.
Hey!
Let's see if we can find a match. Here's our clue print. Does it match snakeskin?
Not a match. I repeat, not a match. What about a lizard? They're good climbers.
Nope, it's not a lizard. You know, the shape kinda looks like it's part of a shell.
You mean something like this? Is it gonna be a match? That's it! It's a match! Now let's figure out the next clue!
Right here! We can use that computer to figure out where it's from.
Okay, this clue's made of rubber. Is it from a boot? Nope! Is it part of a rubber ball? Nope! Is it part of a balloon? Yes! Aha! That squirrel ate your strawberries! Squirrel! So much fun to chase! So fun! Motor, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Chase squirrel!
Squirrel? Squirrel?
Squirrel!
Huh?
Over there! Where'd you go? Squirrel! There it is!
Huh?
Let's go!
Not a squirrel.
Oh no, oh no! I found the squirrel! He's eating my giant tomatoes! Oh, I can't believe this! Soon I won't have any fruits or vegetables left for my farm fair!
Don't worry, there's always a construction solution. To keep the squirrel away, we need to build a fence.
Fences can keep squirrels out. Good to know.
I'll call the barkyard for supplies. Motor, you gonna be my building buddy today?
Motor, love to help.
Fence supplies coming in. I repeat, fence supplies coming in.
Thanks, Wheeler. Drop him there. And my #1 super helper pup and I will get started.
That's me.
Good luck. Have fun at the farm fair.
Yay!
Truffles, we've been practicing our mudsliding routine for so long. I can't wait to show everyone.
Wheeler, you and Truffles are definitely ready for Builder Cove's first ever Christmas on the farm.
You mean muddy Christmas show on the farm. Truffles like sliding in the mud. We just gotta practice our finishing move.
Merry Christmas, Builder Cove!
Great move, Truffles. We'll do that in the show.
Hi, pups. Ooh-wee. It's getting cold. Uh-oh, it's so cold the mud's starting to freeze. If the mud freezes, you won't be able to slide on it.
Well, then I hope it doesn't get colder. Oh no, it did get colder and the mud did freeze. I can't. Slide over. The frozen bumps. Truffles, you know what this means? We have to cancel the Christmas show. We can't slide. And the whole town is coming to see the show tonight. Oh, no, no, no.
Wait, let's turn that no into a Ho, ho, ho with a Christmas construction solution.
Okay, let's think. Wheeler and Truffles can't slide on the mud when it's frozen and bumpy.
Ooh!
But there's something you can slide on when it's frozen.
Ice!
Yes! Slippery, smooth ice! So we could build a big
ice skating rink like this.
Oops, wrong picture. That's Truffles on vacation. Oh, there we go.
Ice skating rink.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s official Rubble YouTube channel and watch Rubble and Crew on Nickelodeon and everywhere you find Nick Jr.